For weeks now, the division between Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu in the Congress in Punjab is being looked at closely. Elections are just a few months away, and the question is, will the Congress be able to resolve this fight at the very top of its Punjab Congress unit? Joining us now is the man who's been put in charge of managing this crisis, the General Secretary of the Congress for Punjab and former Uttarakhand Chief Minister, Harish Rawat. Appreciate your joining us, Harish ji, here on India Today. Will this be resolved? For weeks now, it seems that the Congress is unable to resolve the clash between Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu, and elections are only months away.
I think in another 2-3 days, the solution will be rolled out.
You've been saying 2-3 days for the last several weeks.
That's in politics, 2-3 days means sometime week or so. But this time, I don't think it will take more than 2-3 days.
A few days ago, Captain Amrinder Singh came to Delhi, met Sonia Gandhi, Congress president, and then said that he will abide by any decision that the party leadership takes. Does that mean that some formula is being worked out?
This is a great statement of Captain Amrinder Singh. Everybody has appreciated that. He says that whatever CP will decide, I will abide by that. I will abide by that. He has shown a big gesture.
Because I am told that one possible formula is because Captain is the Chief Minister, he stays on as Chief Minister and the election is fought under his leadership, and Mr. Sidhu is accommodated in the PCC, possibly as a PCC President?
Amrinder Singh ji is Chief Minister.
Yes.
He's Chief Minister for last 4.5 years. Naturally, we are going to the election, him as a Chief Minister.
Under his leadership.
Him as a Chief Minister. But one thing is very clear. Both has to work together. And
so Sidhu as a PCC chief and Amrinder as Chief Minister is a workable formula?
I cannot, because I have still the clearance from the CP is not with me.
But
so
something on this line. Something on these lines.
But it will be something on this line, nearer to this.
That one is on with the PCC and one is with the as the Chief Minister.
And both should work together, because Punjab is a very sensitive state. History owes something from both of them. Captain Amrinder Singh being a senior, a very seasoned political leader, he knows this issue better than anyone else in the country. And he valued how valuable is peace in Punjab. That's why, and I hope Sidhu being a future leader, he should also keep this fact in mind while taking any decision or while saying anything.
You know, because you have said, because there's a belief that Mr. Sidhu is also looking at the Aam Aadmi Party as an option in case you do not make him PCC President of the Congress. That he's coming close to the Aam Aadmi Party again. Do you see that or not?
Congress is a big platform. Sidhu being to certain extent a media personality, he knows what is the value of a big platform. There are only two big political platforms. One is BJP, another is Congress. जो smaller प्लेटफॉर्म हैं वो जानता है कि इसमें वो यदि कुछ दिखाना भी चाहे तो he will become a misfit within a very short time. So that's why I don't think I have detailed discussion with Sidhu ji, and he has shows commitment. He says whether I am getting anything or not, but I will stand.
No question of him joining the Aam Aadmi Party.
I'm quite confident he's not joining anyone, and because he has assured me more than once that whatever Rahul ji and Priyanka ji will ask me, I will follow that.
So you are confident that you will fight the election in Punjab with both Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu as part of your party, because Sidhu has attacked the captain in personal terms, attacked your party's functioning, the chief minister's functioning, and that has given an opening to the Akalis and the Aam Aadmi Party to say, look, the Congress is fighting amongst itself.
In politics, you know that you have to swallow the bitter pills more than once. So whatever, and captain has long inning in politics, and if some statement has hurt him, so I think he will not look behind that. He will look forward. What is in the interest of the Punjab? If
But after the election, will Sidhu become the chief minister or will captain stay on?
this is not my prerogative. This is Congress President prerogative. Whatever she decides, I think both will abide by that.
You know, Hariji, you have been in the Congress for several years. What is the reason why the Congress finds it difficult to resolve all these issues? Earlier, there was a system. Now it seems that all of this is being played out in the public, which is only damaging your party.
देखिए, जब आप जीतते हैं तो जीत के साथ बुद्धिमत्ता भी आती है. जब आप हार रहे होते हैं तो सलाह जो है कंफ्यूज भी कर देती हैं. कई तरीके की सलाह मिलती हैं, वो कंफ्यूज भी कर देती हैं. इधर जनता ने हमको लगातार नकारा है. बहुत सारे स्टेट्स में हम लूज किए हैं. तो मैं समझता हूँ कि हमने उन सब चीज़ों से लेसन लिया है. और
You see the Congress recovering? You see the Congress recovering despite all these defeats?
I hope that recovery with Punjab and Uttarakhand will start.
Interesting you mentioned Uttarakhand because there is a belief that Harish Rawat should become or could become the face of the Congress in Uttarakhand. Is that where you would like to go after you've resolved the Punjab issue?
I am a Balika Vadhu of Congress. When I was only 19 years old, then I joined Congress. Since then, I have not seen any other house, any other party. लीडरशिप जो काम बता देगी वो काम करेंगे. उत्तराखंड जाओ कहेंगे तो मेरा घर है, तो घर अपना जाना किसको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. बल्कि मैं 4-5 साल और अपने को जवान महसूस करूंगा यदि मुझे घर भेजते हैं. और नहीं भेजते हैं तो पार्टी ने हम पे इतना इन्वेस्ट किया है, तो मेरी ड्यूटी है कि यदि मेरी मन कैसी बात नहीं भी हो रही है तो सिंस आई शुड ओबे द पार्टी.
It's interesting you're saying that you are a party soldier in a way right till the end, because a number of party men in recent times have left, Jyotiraditya Scindia, Jitin Prasad, and there's a sense that the Congress is a sinking ship, people are leaving it. How do you respond to that?
This is not, I think, this is a conclusion which has no reasoning. Only because we are losing some states, some people are leaving Congress, doesn't mean that the Congress has no relevance in the politics. Congress has a relevance. It is the savior of the democracy. The moment people will start realizing that weakening the Congress is harming their own interest, harming the constitution itself. So I think our recovery will start from that moment. We have recovered from the grievous injuries in 1980. Then all the big names, all the big guns, everybody, even rank and file at the district level and block level have quit the Congress.
During Indira Gandhi's time.
But we recovered from there. Then in 2004, again from where we have emerged.
No, I take all that, but
we can be an answer to the India signing campaign, and by uniting all the forces together. So same Sonia Gandhi is our leader. So I hope.
No, that's what I wanted to ask you at the end. The Gandhi family itself. Do you believe that it is still relevant? Because there are questions raised over Rahul Gandhi. He's a non-playing captain. His critics say he must take over if he wants to fight. He cannot be a non-playing captain. He has to be a Congress president. Sonia ji is semi-retired. Do you still believe that the Gandhi family is relevant?
Sometimes we may not agree his quitting the AICC presidency. But anyway, it was his individual decision, and that was based on the principle of accountability. He says, as a president, I am responsible for this bad situation of the Congress in the election. On, I want to set this example. But I think with the lot of water has passed through the Ganges. Now,
He should come back, you believe?
I think he should.
He should. Rahul Gandhi should take
He should.
take control.
He should. There is no other option also.
But he has lost twice to Mr. Modi, 2014, 2019. You still think he's the best person to challenge Mr. Modi?
When Rahul ji emerges as a challenger, then the situation, a political scenario in the country has started changing place. The Gujarat model with a lot of promises which were never kept. Even the people have not asked for why you are not keeping those work. So Modi's emergence started. So that at that time, taking the in chargeship of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, the totally barren, politically barren land for Congress, it shows the courage which Rahul Gandhi ji has. Then again,
But he has lost election after election, sir.
Again, ये उन्होंने बिल्कुल जैसे कहते हैं ना कि बुल को उसके सींग पकड़ करके गुजरात में ये थ्रोन ए बिग चैलेंज टू मोदी. यदि एक मणिशंकर जी का एक छोटा सा स्लिप ऑफ टंग नहीं होती तो गुजरात में कांग्रेस जीती और उसके बाद हम राजस्थान जीते, मध्य प्रदेश जीते. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम जीते नहीं. ये अलग बात है कि मोदी जी की लीडरशिप में हर इलेक्शन चाहे छोटा हो बड़ा हो वो वार फुटिंग पर लड़ा जाता है. उसमें जो है कोई जो है.
आप वाकई समझते हैं राहुल जी मोदी जी का मुकाबला कर सकते हैं? क्योंकि ये अब चर्चा है कि प्रशांत किशोर जो एक समय मोदी जी के साथ थे, अब ममता के साथ है, आपके साथ भी उत्तराखंड में ही हैड वर्कड अ लिटिल विद यू, that Prashant Kishore may be drafted into the Congress to revive the party?
I have no idea about it. I have absolutely no idea. At no level I was told कि भाई ये कर रहे हैं करके. As far consultation is concerned, many people are meeting Rahul Gandhi ji. In fact, you are a journalist for so many years and you know the better than India myself. And Rahul ji is the only अपोजिशन लीडर जो मोदी जी की आंखों में आंखें डाल करके उनकी चीज उसको चैलेंज कर रहे हैं. और जिन इश्यूज को उन्होंने उठाया, मे बी जिस समय राफेल वाला मामला उठा उस समय एनीवे कैसे सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कुछ बात कही दी, उससे सारा सिनेरियो बदल गया चुनाव का. पूरी डायनामिक्स बदल गई और उसी समय बालाकोट और ये सब हुआ पुलवामा, तो उसने मोदी जी को एक इमोशनल कॉर्ड स्थापित करने में लोगों के साथ मदद कर दी. बट इट डजंट मीन कि चैलेंज वाज वीक. यदि सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट नहीं आता तो ये लड़ाई ज्यादा
Rafael would have become a bigger issue. My final question.
Now here when he raised this corona issue, he was the first politician in February to raise this issue. तो देन लोगों ने मजाक बनाया उनका. लेटर ऑन जब कोरोना फेस करना पड़ा तब लोगों ने रियलाइज किया राहुल गांधी ने तो ये कहा था करके. व्हेन ही स्टार्टेड दिस बेरोजगारी इशू और इकोनॉमिक डाउन ट्रेंड जो चल रहा है उसको उठाया उन्होंने, तो लोगों ने उस समय गहराई से नहीं लिया. आज इकोनॉमी जब नीचे को जा रही है तो हर आदमी सोच रहा है, विशेष तौर पर मिडिल क्लास, लोअर मिडिल क्लास ये सोच रहा है कि राहुल गांधी जी ने जो कुछ कहा था देयर वाज ए विजडम. जब सेकंड वेव के लिए ही वाज द फर्स्ट पॉलिटिशियन टू वांट द कंट्री एंड टू वांट द गवर्नमेंट कि भाई टेक अप्रोप्रिएट स्टेप टू मीट दैट चैलेंज.
So you're saying Rahul Gandhi is still very much your leader and should take over the leadership. My final question, if you are not sent to Uttarakhand as the face of the party or to handle the campaign, will Harish Rawat retire from politics, or will you consider joining some other party, or will you remain a congressman till the very end?
Joining other party, I can't imagine. Because when I was only 19 years old, fascinated by Indira ji's on this bank nationalization and other issues, as a student of the Lucknow University, I joined Congress. Since that, you can call me a Balika Vadhu of Congress. So for me, death and life is only in Congress.
And the Gandhi family remains your mascot, come what may.
Yeah.
You don't see any change in that.
they-
You will not join some G23 group and challenge the Gandhi family.
I'm, in fact, this whole thing starts with Indraji's love and affection. The way she used to treat we youngster, we cannot we cannot forget that gentle touch from her.
So you are a Gandhi family loyalist, you're a Congress loyalist, and you're hoping that Punjab will be resolved, and maybe you will go to Uttarakhand as your next challenge, perhaps, because there is a feeling that Uttarakhand could be a state where the Congress may have an opportunity because of so-called anti-incumbency against the BJP. 3 chief ministers that the BJP has had in the last 6 months. Thank you very much, Harish ji, for joining me here. Harish Rawat, senior Congress leader, giving us a sense of what lies ahead, especially in the battleground state of Punjab. Rajdeep Sardesai for India Today.